There's a special...
Attention. This is an Amber Child abduction alert issued by the Pennsylvania State Police. We have just received this important information regarding an abducted child in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, Bucks County. The Doylestown Police Department is searching for Miranda Harris, a 6-year-old white female. She is 3 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 43 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a white shirt, blue jeans, and pink and white shoes. The child is believed to be in extreme danger, and may be in the company of Robert Wilson, a 28-year-old white male. He is 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighs 167 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt, blue jeans, and black shoes. They may be traveling in a black 2005 Chevy Tahoe with Pennsylvania license plate DFK7642. They were last seen heading north on Route 611 towards Regalsville, Pennsylvania. Anyone with information on the whereabouts of the child, call 911 or the Pennsylvania State Police at 717-783-5599. This has been an Amber Child abduction alert issued by the Pennsylvania State Police.
The temperatures are going to be in the 80s at least for a couple